Sasa hapa ndio selfie inakujia.
A quick selfie here.
Fanya hivi baba. Unaniangusha. Sawa sawa.
Okay. The leader of the delegation wanted to add something.
Okay, group photo and then...
This one is from Wasingishu. This is Jubilee. Sitting MCA. Sitting MCA. Yeah. So just say your name and
I'm Pauline Chelimo-Tuwei, representing a ward known as Simat Kapsaret, sitting MCA, but I'm joining NASA.
You would like to give us appreciation, word of appreciation, Chairman of the...
Your Excellency, just a word of appreciation. You know, we forget a lot after kurembeshwa na lazima mtu anasema nini? Shukran. Thank you for welcoming us in your place and the win inside. There's something a bit I've been told I didn't touch about the MCS, which has been going around the whole country. Allow me to say this. It has been speculated that we are given money to go and do development. This one should be quoted. MCS are not given money for development. We are just the legislatures, representative, and oversight. So the part of implementation is done by the executive. So whatever is is rolling around the social media, especially to from the head of Jubilee Party, that we are giving money, we didn't develop our areas, that one is a lie. So in your government, kindly, immediately as you start and you defend the constitution, have been defending the constitution, civic education may be a priority. Thank you so much.
Thank you. So, ladies and gentlemen, let me just say this. We are a national movement, national super alliance for all the people of Kenya. And you can see that NASA represents the face of Kenya. And if you have witnessed the unfolding events over the last few days, you'll see where the NASA is going. We say that this is going to be a movement that has never been seen in this country before. This country is going to witness a socio-economic revolution. And the beginning is going to be on the 8th of this month, of next month. From that time, the Kenyans are going to start a new journey. So it's going to be a major milestone in our historical development as a nation. We are now in the process of transforming this country from a kind of a coalition of various nationalities to one united nation. And this is what NASA wants to do. And it's going to act as a catalyst in that process of transformation of our country. So we, therefore, want to put our opponents on notice that the time for change has come. And there's nothing as powerful as an idea whose time has come. That this force is irresistible. There's no way that Jubilee can win the coming general elections. It's going to be like a walkover. So we are coming now, tomorrow we are going to Kiambu, and we are going to address the issues that affect the people of Kiambu, and to tell them that NASA is part of the solution. Jubilee is part of the problem, cannot be part of the solution. We know the answer to the problems that face the people of Kiambu and by extension the people of Central Province, where if the economy has collapsed the way it has, it affects everybody. There's no special shop for the people of Kiambu, of Central Province, different from that of the people from Nyanza, Western, Eastern, or the coast. When the education system is in a serious challenge, it affects all the children in the country. All the teachers are affected. When health system is not working properly, everybody feels it. So the people of Central Province are part and parcel of the Kenyan nation as such. We have worked together before during the struggle for liberation of this country. The other day I saw the president talking very arrogantly on a Twitter handle, saying that only 2 communities fought for the liberation of this country. Nothing could be further from the truth. Again, in the second liberation, we stood together. People will remember the tribulations of Kenneth Matiba, Charles Robia, and the U.S. truly. We again came together in order to remove the Kanu regime which had been ruling the country for many years. Then we stood together with retired President Mwai Kibaki and so on. The time has come for us to once again rally together as Kenyans in order to send this inefficient, incompetent, corrupt Jubilee regime home and to bring in its place a more responsive governance system. Thank you.